Hi Dripcess friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my new subscribers, welcome. I'm Drip Princess and I upload fashion and lifestyle content. So as you can see by the title, we are doing another maintenance vlog. I'm currently sitting in front of my nail appointment. My nail appointment is at 10 a.m. It's currently 9:44 and these are how my nails are looking right now. Like when I said yesterday, I was at a cookout yesterday because yesterday was the 4th of July. Today is July 5th and I was at a cookout yesterday and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go get my nails done tomorrow. They was like, you just got your nails done. And I'm like, with long nails you have to like keep up with it, you know what I'm trying to say. It could probably, I had these for 2 weeks, it could probably last another week, but you know they start to bend. We don't want that, okay? I'm going to be recording 2 videos in one day because after my nail appointment I'm going to New York and I'm gonna be taking pictures and shopping a little. I did vlog yesterday about 4th of July. Hopefully y'all had a great 4th of July too. I had so much fun yesterday. It's probably gonna be a short vlog, but I still want to put it out. But I look too cute, y'all. So I'm wearing this shirt, these like low-rise jeans, and then these like green New Balances with this purse. And my nails look so good with this outfit, the bracelets, everything. But the nail set that I am gonna get will look good with this outfit too. Probably even better than this outfit. We'll see. I know what I'm getting, but when I get there, me and my nail tech, we be brainstorming like other stuff. So we're actually gonna see. But I'm gonna see y'all when I'm in there. These are my nails, y'all. They're so cute. See? We love them. We love the color. We love the shape. We love what it's giving. As y'all can see, my hair is done. I just got out the shower, y'all, and my hair is freshly done. I literally love my hair. It's my natural hair. I wanted to do a natural hairstyle because I know I am about to be getting wet this month. It's July, so I know I'm about to be getting wet this month, be going to water parks, be going to pools, and yeah, and this is how my hair is looking. We have like the braids, and then we have two strand twists. So I just kept my natural hair and I loved it. At first it did take a while. It is taking me a while to get used to, because I feel like I look so much younger with me wearing my natural hair. But my boyfriend is saying like I look good, and everybody is like saying that I look good, and I'm getting like so many compliments on my hair when I post it on my Instagram and just everything. I feel like I look much more friendlier than when I wear my long braids. I feel like I don't look friendly. I don't know, but my hair is done and it's cute. These are the nails. Y'all see. And then I did not get my toes done because my toes actually still look good. Do y'all want to see? Actually, I'm not gonna show you. My toes actually still look good, but I am planning on getting my toes done. Actually, I don't even know, because I have a trip coming up soon. But yeah, I really hope y'all enjoyed this really cute short mini maintenance vlog of me getting my hair done and my nails done. And if y'all did, please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.